Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a very short, easiest, no makeup look for me. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and prep my skin with the Marc Jacobs Recover Setting Spray. Moment of silence. Go and rub that into the skin. Doing this to add a little bit of hydration, a little bit of a sticky base, but also to get a little bit of a dewiness going on. There we go. God, I need a haircut. Alright, next, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Do 2 squirts of that. Put it on my face. There we go. Just need to add a lot of hydration. Since my allergies are kicking in, everything's starting to get a little dry. There we go. Alright, I'm going to let that set and we will go on with the next. Alright, so next, going in with the NYX Dark Circle Color Corrector, and I think medium. Yeah, medium. Gonna go ahead and put this in my dark spots. There we go. Add about 2 layers. And then just blend that down. Always like to use my finger with this just so the warmth helps to really seep it into the skin. Perfect. And going in with my broken foundation brush just to smooth everything out even more. Perfect. Now next, I am actually going to go ahead and go in. Ooh, I still have the film on this, I think. Gotta clean off the mirror so I can see. Awesome. Going in with the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Blurring Powder in Mousse. Gonna go ahead and just put this there, down the bridge of my nose, there. Just to get a blurring base down, and then next I am gonna go in with the Milk holographic highlighting stick, and I believe this is Mars. It kind of is the same thing as Urban Decay's Fireball. Has that very iridescent holographic red pink kind of shift going on. Yeah. This is my very minimal no makeup look. I like this highlighter because it has a little bit more of a peachy undertone, and now that I am getting a little bit tanner, it actually complements my skin tone very well. Plus, I just like to put like a cream or a cream powder down first, just to add a little bit of a tacky base for the highlighter I'm gonna put on top. But yeah, there we go. Next, going in with the Under Eye Brightening Color Corrector for medium to dark, apparently, by Becca. Love this. This is like my perfect concealer shade, actually. Put that there. Put it on the other side. Just gonna get a good amount. There we go. Just blend it down. onto the nose a little bit. Whatever's left on my finger, just do it there. Now going in with my broken foundation brush, just blending it out. It's all about the blending. Bring it down. There we go. And I look wide awake as if I was never tired for now. Now for highlighter, I'm going in with Smashbox, the collaboration they did with Vlada, the prismatic petal, which is the holographic one. Still to this day my favorite. Oh, as you can tell, like I've been savoring this one, using it gently, but oh God, I mean, just to add a little pop of something. Highlighters, I always just love to play with different types of undertones, colors, and layer them just to see what kind of effect I can get out of them. But, I mean, oh, sorry, as I'm going like this, but as you can tell, there we go. Awesome. So I am not a big fan of a blinding highlight. I like it to be natural, subtle, there in the background sometimes, depending on the look I'm trying to go for. But yeah, there we go. Just blending it out is what it really comes down to. Oof, look at that. Straight on, boom. Straight on, boom. Now for bronzer, going in with Hoola by Benefit. And I'm just going to use this just to add a little bit more shape to my face. There we go. There we go. And then high points, where I normally get a lot of color all the time. Then down onto the highlight, just so it looks like it's part of my skin. Down on the neck. Just want everything to look a little bit together. There we go. Then whatever's left over on the brush, I'll just take it down the bridge of the nose to give a little bit of shape. Perfect, perfect. Looking like a face. And then just to blend everything together. Big floofy brush. There we go. Perfect. And that is going to be good for the day. And then last but not least, setting spray, so it stays in all day, all night, just in case I go out. Douse the face in the setting spray. Perfect. Well, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. This is my very no makeup look with a pop of color for the highlights. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm pretty sure this is some products you guys probably have. I have like a 15-hour day, and this is as minimal as I like to have it for a very long day like this. But yeah, just bronzer, primer, blurring, color corrector, highlighter is all you need sometimes. So I hope you guys learned something new. With stuff you probably already have. We all have bronzers, we all have different types of highlighters, we all have different types of setting sprays, prepping sprays and stuff like that. So just a little mini tutorial of my personal no makeup look. So yeah, have a great day.